What's up, everyone? This is Jake with mybringback, coming to you again. We're going through kind of the basics of the iPhone/iPad application development with Xcode 4. So we got the newest and the greatest. And as we went over in the previous tutorial, we were basically inputting with this text field here whatever text you want. And then after clicking display alert, we then get an alert message that pops up, and it says basically alert, comma, and then the information that we put in there. Now, some of you might ask, why is that important? What are we doing with this? And basically, this whole tutorial is to go through like the alerts. And as you guys look into developing your applications may call for maybe like a send to Facebook or send to email or send to your Twitter. And you can accomplish about that by maybe possibly putting in the menu alert and having them select what option they want. And so that's what we're going to go into a little bit deeper as far as the alerts, different options you can put in there, and so on and so forth. So let's go ahead and go back to the Xcode 4, and as you can see, basically in your XIB file here, we've got our text field and we've got our button that we've established. Going into the implementation, if you're a little bit lost, can't figure out where you're going, go check out the previous tutorial. We went into actually putting the action in place, and then the values for that, and declaring your outlets and your actions for it. So check out the last tutorial, and that'll help you get to the point where we're at now. What we're going to be looking at is this other button titles. And so you can see we've got nil in there right now, so we don't have actually any other button titles besides what they call the cancel button title, which, as you saw in the previous, or as we opened up our applications, you saw the dismiss when the alert came up. So what we're going to do is we're actually going to modify and tweak the other button titles here. And so this could be anything. This could be, you know, anything from send to Facebook or send to PDF, maybe print, etc. In our case, we're just gonna declare some parameters here, such as send to Facebook, and then let's go with also send to Twitter, and then again you've got your last option there of nil. Alright, so as we've modified the other button titles, it doesn't look like much is going to happen yet, but let's go ahead and again run the application. Either click Apple R, Control R, and or click the run button up in the corner there. So as our application launches there, I'm going to zoom in again, and again we'll fill in something in the text field, display alert. And there we go. We've got an alert this, send to Facebook, send to Twitter. And then again our dismiss button as the cancel option. Again, we haven't tied anything to the send to Facebook or send to Twitter, but you can see how we can use other titles to actually, by establishing different parameters, we can have them do and say different things when the alert comes up in front of people. So you can click the send to Twitter, send to Facebook, again nothing's gonna happen, or just simply dismiss it. So you can see we haven't implemented it, and that's what we're gonna go through with our next tutorial, is how to implement certain button functions to do exactly what you guys are wanting. So again, you guys got any questions, put a comment on our page and we'll try to get back to you as soon as possible, or maybe there's something you want to learn out there how to do and go forward with. So anyway, peace out, guys.